Hi all, Rebecca here, and today I'm doing a review on these natural biodegradable sponges. They were gifted to me in exchange for my review. They do come 12 to a pack, and if you check out the design of the sponge, it fits really nicely in your hand. These organic sponges really don't accumulate bad odor like your other plastic sponges or cleaning cloths. One side is a sponge and the other side is a great scrubber. And I really like the fact that they're reusable and long-lasting. Even though the scrubber part of this is very tough, it is anti-scratch, so you'll be safe and sure that you will not scratch any of your fine china. I am going to demonstrate on a few. Now this is a plastic plate, and you can tell that it had a little bit of food particles stuck on, and no hard work at all. It was right off. Here we go again with some ceramic bowl, and it brought it right off. These sponges really help wipe away all the grease and dirt and grime that you don't like. Now this is my fine china that I have received from my mother-in-law, so I take extra care of it. And I was not worried at all, even using the scrubber part. Now I really put these sponges to the test and used it on my crock pot. And in no time flat, it was clean. I love these sponges, and I know that I'll be using these for a long time to come. All in all, these are great sponges, and I do suggest them. See you guys next time.